So, picking up where we left off, I had left it off at just removing the door skin, but this time we're applying it. So I begin by stripping all around the edge of my door shell to bare metal, as you're seeing here. I didn't record it all because you kind of get the process, but this is what I'm doing here. Got this thing cleaned up to bare metal on both sides. Ready for the new panel. So after I got it all cleaned up and everything, I begin by adding my panel bond adhesive to the door shell, wherever it was stripped to bare metal. And again, I go all around the edge of the door shell, applying the panel bond. I'm using all 3M products. I don't know the exact part number or anything like that, but it's just panel bond adhesive by 3M. And I'm using a 3M applique gun as well. But this is what you need in order to apply the mixture to the panel. So after I was done applying my panel bond adhesive, I picked out a brush from our supplies cabinet and I started spreading the panel bond around wherever the exposed bare metal was at, trying to get more coverage all around the door shell itself. You know, as I'm watching myself do all of this, it's actually pretty fun to watch. Um, yeah, I just pretty much go day to day and just kind of just repeat the same process. You know, we do this like different kind of repairs, all kinds of repairs, but it kind of gets I don't know how to phrase it. It just gets repetitive, but like seeing myself do it like on video and stuff actually looks pretty damn cool. Once I was done spreading all my panel bond around the door shell, I went ahead and grabbed my new door skin and placed it onto the door shell itself. And I actually didn't record the process of me peeling the backside of the new door skin to bare metal, just wherever, like the edge, just around the edge, because it's better contact when it's bare metal to bare metal. Or I mean, when it's better contact when it's panel bond to bare metal. If not, it doesn't stick properly. And as you saw in that previous frame, I actually begin by folding the four corners of the door skin. That way, once I fold these four corners, the door skin itself doesn't shift on me whenever I'm moving the whole door assembly around. After I'm done folding my four corners and I flip my door shell around, I just begin by flattening out the door skin to the door shell. This is all that's left now. once I'm done flattening all of this and putting a few plug welds on the top part backside that I didn't record. There's a few things that I didn't record because I didn't have the chance to. But after all of that, after I, like I said, bend the door skin to the door shell and I clean it all up and I sand it down, add some sealer tape to the edge of the door, pre-fit it, make sure everything lines up, squares up. That's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I know I didn't go in depth on the skin, but just stay tuned. There's going to be more to come. There's always more to come, you know. Give me a thumbs up. Show me some love. Let me know what you guys think. And stay tuned for more. Peace.